Okay, it's been a week since I pulled my fuel pump out of my tank. I had ordered a pump, it come in, it was the wrong one, and now we're down here in Louisiana. We got two hurricanes fixing to hit us, so I gotta rig up my old pump, put it back in so I can move my RV out of the area because this area floods. So this is what I did. I just put some RTC silicone in there, hold them rods from popping out. I had soaked some of it in gasoline one time to see what it would do. It didn't deteriorate none, but it swelled up in a 24-hour period. So I'm gonna just put this in right now, temporary. I got another one on order, but it won't be here for another week or so. And I won't put no gas in it until I'm ready to move it. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay. Under here, I got straps holding the gas can because I couldn't quite get it down all the way. I had too many obstacles, and one of them was right up in here. You got extra nozzles on each side of your tank in case you wanted to put the fuel in on this side, but these are capped off. I had loosened them, tried to get the plugs off of them, but I was unsuccessful, so I just left it hanging and I pulled the pump out the top anyway. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tighten these clamps back on, and we'll pull the tank up and start hooking. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the hole. There won't nothing. Now get this sucker popped down in there. It's gonna be the hard trick. That went any easier than I thought. Oh crap. There's a ring on there. That was pretty easy. Well, that was kind of scary. It's so easy. Alright. Now, the worst part of this whole job is the generator fuel line. Cause it's down under here, way over here. I got this band on top of the gas can. Fuel lines on top of it, and it pokes out. It's right on the edge of that strap. So what I'm trying to do, pull this gas can back some when I pick it up, try to get this on, and then shove it back that way. So I have to pull some more slack in that hose and see what I can do from there. Alright, I got my jack under. I got it jacked up a little bit, and I pulled it back as far as I can. I'm hitting this metal plate right now. I don't feel like taking it off right now, but I think it got me enough room. Moved it about 2 inches. I'll go ahead and jack it up in place, put the straps on, and see if I can't get that gas line for the generator on. Okay, you got the tank all the way back up. Lines are plugged in. You can see it. Got my generator hose plugged in. It's down there somewhere. Can't see it. It's over there. It's plugged in. That was a doozer. There it is. Yep. Right there. You gotta have this thing leaning back, the back end all the way down, fronting all the way up to get that hose on, and then get it up over that bracket. a bracket right there on the other side of that connection. Be able to get it in without cutting that hose. Got it done. Now I'm doing, put the brackets on the bottom. Okay, I got the tanks all bolted up. Got the ground wire. Don't forget the ground wire. I'm gonna try to put these hoses back in here. That's gonna be fun.
That's a ground screw that Bryce had? Huh?
What?
That screw that Bryce had, was that your ground wire?
No. No, I think it's just extra sand on the ground. Oh, clamp.
Here, Bryce.
Screwdriver. Alright, finished up. All I gotta do is put gas in and crank her up.